Hi, this is Ed Sobey for Kids Invent. Today we're making two different flying toys out of the same material, a styrene plate. What the students do, is they cut the largest circle out of the center of the plate, and they have something that roughly looks like an Aerobie. If you have an Aerobie at home, you might look at it and get some design ideas. If they fling this like an Aerobie, it will not work at all. So the challenge for them is to start with this and end up with something that flies a lot like an Aerobie. Well, here's one design. I've put a complete plate on top of the Aerobie shape, and I've just taped it, and that flies a lot better. The next step in this evolution might be to add some paper clips, some weights around the edge. They could also try bending the lips up and down to see what effect that has. But let them work on that for a while and see how far apart two partners of a team can be and fling it back and forth. Each time they fling it, they should get some ideas for making one change, trying that, and flinging it again, and keep making a change and trying it out. So what do we do with the center? Well, we make a nifty little airplane. So here's the circle, and we have scored. By the way, the way to cut this is if they can draw a circle with a compass or with something that has a circular shape, just with a pencil or pen, they can trace that a couple times, and they'll be just about through the styrene, and even a paper clip will drag through there and cut it. So with the circle, we find pretty much the center, we inscribe that, and now bend it up, hopefully without breaking it, and we've got an airplane with dihedral wings. The wings are angled up. That gives a lot of stability to the plane. Without paper clips, this won't fly at all. They're welcome to try it. It's just going to flutter to the ground. But by adding paper clips, I first tried 2 with this. It wasn't enough, so I tried 4, and now it glides very gently. I just hold it up and release it, and down it goes. Has a nice glide angle. So that's pretty cool, but maybe the design can be improved by cutting off the sides and using one of those as a vertical stabilizer. So we cut a slit in the back and slid one of those pieces we just cut off, and this one only required a couple paper clips and it flew. So kids can experiment, come up with some different ideas of how to get their airplane and their Aerobie to fly and fly far. Have fun making airplanes and Aerobies.